जेन्ना आमी पयली एडवायजरी काडिल्ली तेन्ना आमचे कडेन युक्रेनात 20,000 भारतीय विद्यार्थी आशिल्ले. तेन्नाच्यान आतां मेरेन सुमार 12,000 जाणांनी युक्रेन सोडला. जी युक्रेनात आमच्या नागरिकांची संख्या सद्याक 60% आसा म्हण परराष्ट्र सचिवान सांगला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We had an estimated 20,000 Indian students in Ukraine at the time that we issued our first advisory. This is the general number of people who are Indian nationals in Ukraine. From that number, 12,000 approximately have since left Ukraine, which is 60% of the total number of our citizens in Ukraine. Of the remaining 40%, roughly half remain in the conflict zone in the Kharkiv-Sumy area, and the other half have either reached the western borders of Ukraine or are heading towards the western borders of Ukraine. In other words, they are generally out of the conflict areas, out of harm's way. Now in Kiev, following the lifting of the curfew during the day yesterday and today, our mission had issued an advisory proposing that our students and community members leave Kiev, use trains, use different options to leave Kiev. I understand that since then, all of our nationals have left Kiev. The information with us is that we have no more nationals left in Kiev. Nobody has contacted us from Kiev since. All our inquiries have revealed that each and every of our nationals have come out of Kiev to the extent that we can tell you.